to St. Thomas. I'm gonna see this on the side of the road in the Roselle area. Apparently, this is Irish smash. I never know say I saw them deal with it. Apparently them get it out of the sea. And I make the Irish smash so the people them drink. So Elder. Okay. So how long it take for dry?
This?
Yeah.
1 day.
1 day?
Yeah. Like you wash it out today, tomorrow. Tomorrow it dry.
So you know when it's ready for come out of the sea. You just see it and pick it? Or have a certain time when you get it?
It's right I know. Feed time I know it's right.
Or the time of year?
Yeah. It's right I know.
Oh, so who buy this?
Eh?
Who buy this?
What if people buy it?
So how it sell? Per pound?
Yeah.
How much a pound?
Sell for $800 a pound.
Okay. So random people who buy it are people who make roots or special.
People make roots with it. And people want it to fight to make medicine.
So what it good for?
I'll complain
Such as what? Like what?
with cancer, diabetes, all type of thing is good for. Sugar.
Okay, look like a years you do this now. How long you do this?
Yeah?
How long you been doing Irish smash?
For 40 years.
40 years? Wow, a long time that's more than my age. I've been there a long time. So you drink it and make it?
Yeah, man, I drink it, boil tea and anything like that.
Oh, so how can somebody prepare something like this? How you make it? You boil it?
You boil it. And strain it now. You know, must strain it till all them are the good one we boil, because everything can eat. Everything mash out, everything can eat. If they are the good one I can boil,
Yeah.
they may have it strain out the trash. But if they can boil it and eat it. Then you can just drink it juice natural so you know, we put no sugar in it, just drink it juice natural so.
Okay. And take a day for dry, so like no, you just come back in the evening and
Yeah man.
it's good.
Yeah. Right away, you know, somebody are wait for it, you know, we buy it. You know.
Yeah.
See how we start to
I saw it hot.
Yeah man.
So them all buy all 30, 40 pound. 100 pound. Oh yeah, say a big business there. Oh yeah, say. I will never see this yet. So how far out in the sea you go feed? Oh, out of the rock them people, you know, if you can see it out there so they have a reef. A reef. Yeah, a rock out there. Love to see this. Yeah man, love to see this man. Love to see this. St. Thomas, this is happening people, in my parish. Irish mass. So if you don't want to know Irish mass, you come out of Roselle. 8 bills a pound. Good price that. And with the I name, who them for ask her?
Murray.
You know for come ask Mr. Murray. The elder the man in the business about 40 years ago. So him have a team of this other people that do everything. Yeah man. All of them time, yeah. Time to get it. So you swim, you dive and go feed?
Yeah man.
Eh,
Fit, you know.
fit. Oh boy.
Fit. Fit, sharp fit.
So it keep you fit.
Yeah man. Drink it with tea. I'm going to use it with dinner too.
So you have to go in the morning because the sea calm.
Yeah.
Okay.